He sees you've leveled up without him. Your glow up is undeniable. He's wondering if you've forgiven him. Guilt is creeping into his thoughts. He misses the way you made him feel like a king. No one else treats him like you did. He wants to keep you as an option. Some men hate losing their backup plan. He's looking for a second chance without accountability. He hopes you forgot the past. He realized he chose wrong. If he left for someone else, it didn't work out. He's bored and wants entertainment. Avoid men who return when they're lonely. He wants to see if he can still get to you. He's testing if you've really moved on. He's jealous of your happiness. Without him, seeing you happy without him is unsettling. He needs closure for himself. He wants peace, but what about yours? He wants to keep you in his life on his terms. But does that align with what you want? He's realizing his mistakes, but he's too late. Timing is everything. He's tired of his own games. But does he even know what he wants? He thinks you're still waiting for him. Prove him wrong. He's feeling nostalgic about the love you gave. But is he ready to give love back? He's seeing a future with you, now that it's convenient for him. Is it real or temporary? He's running out of options. You were his best, and he finally sees it. He thinks time will heal the damage he caused. But without change, it's meaningless. He sees you winning and wants to be part of it. But does he deserve that place? He wants to rewrite the ending. But you're the author of your story now. More ways to make him pursue. You don't just take him back, make him work for it. Nothing valuable comes easy. Make sure he comes back. Correct. If he's still playing games, don't entertain it. Don't give him the comfort of thinking you're always there. He should know losing you is permanent. Raise your standards, even higher. If he wants you back, he needs to level up. Keep building your own life. A woman with purpose is unstoppable. Give him a taste of his own medicine. Show him what silence really feels like. Prioritize yourself. First, your growth, your happiness, your peace. Make him earn your trust again. If he lost it, he needs to rebuild it. Be a challenge again. Men value what they work for. Let him feel the distance. He should miss your presence. Be too busy to entertain his games. A woman on a mission has no time for confusion. Show him what he lost. Without saying a word, success speaks for itself. Keep a man who keeps you. If he's inconsistent, let him go. Be the one who got away, not the one who stayed stuck. Keep moving forward. Make him regret taking you for granted by becoming the best version of yourself. Know your worth, then add tax. If he couldn't see it before, that's on him. Keep your energy high and your standards higher. The right man will rise to meet them. Don't reward his return. With immediate access, make him earn his place again. Act like you never needed him, because you never did. Let him watch you shine from a distance. Not every man deserves a second chance. More Denzel Washington motivation. Stay in your power. Don't let someone dim your light simply because it's shining in their eyes. Your success will make some people uncomfortable. The time to worry about flying is while you're on the ground. Prepare yourself for greatness. You pray for rain, you gotta deal with the mud too. Growth comes with challenges. Without commitment, you'll never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. Don't let distractions pull you off track. You will never be criticized by someone doing more than you. You'll always be criticized by someone doing less. Keep going. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. If it's too easy, you're not growing. Do what you gotta do so you can do what you want to do. Priorities come first. You only live once, so do what you feel passionate about. Chase your dreams, not people. Fall forward. Even if you fail moving toward your goals. When you see a good move, look for a better one. Never settle. He's wondering if you still think about him. His ego wants to know if he still lives in your mind. He's seeing you through a different lens. Sometimes distance makes people realize what they lost. He needs closure on his own terms, even if he never gave you any. He's looking for an easy re-entry into your life. Don't let him walk back in without proving himself. He sees other men giving you attention, and it's making him insecure. He finally understands the effort you put into the relationship. But is it too late? He feels like he has unfinished business. But your life is moving forward. He's scared of being replaced. A man will come back when he realizes he's losing his spot. He wants to test your loyalty. But did he ever prove his own loyalty to you? He's trying to fix his reputation. If he left on bad terms, he may want to rewrite the story. He misses the way you made him feel important. But has he learned to make you feel important? He's feeling the loneliness he created. Karma is real. He's just checking if he still has a hold on you. Some men return just to see if they still have power. He finally realizes you were the best thing that ever happened to him. But you've moved on. He thinks time has made you forget his mistakes. But real queens don't forget, they learn. He's realizing that no one else understands him like you did. But that doesn't mean he deserves another chance. He's hoping you're still emotionally attached. But you've already detached. He's running out of people who truly care about him. And now he sees your value. He wants to know if he can still get you back. But you're not a revolving door. Even more ways to make him pursue you. Let him feel your absence. Deeply, he should realize what life is like without you. Don't respond too quickly. When he reaches out, make him wonder. Be indifferent. Nothing confuses a man more than a woman who no longer cares. Never settle for breadcrumbs. If he's not bringing the full meal, walk away. Let him work for your attention again. A man values what he earns. Keep your energy high and unbothered. A confident woman is magnetic. Only accept consistency, not just effort. A few sweet words aren't enough. Make him step up or step aside. No room for half-hearted efforts. Keep focusing on your own growth. The right one will match your energy. Don't let his return distract you from your goals. A real queen stays on her throne. Don't allow him to pick up where he left off. He must rebuild the bridge he burned. Let him see that you're thriving without him. Your success is the best response. Stay in control of the conversation. If you do engage, make sure it's on your terms. Don't make it easy for him. If he truly wants you back, he'll put in the work. Keep your boundaries firm. No excuses, no exceptions. Make him earn your respect before your love. If he lost it, he must regain it. Show him that you are the prize. You don't chase, you attract. Remain mysterious. A woman he can't fully figure out will always intrigue him. Let him see that you have options. You were never waiting for him. Make him regret his absence, not just remember you. Your evolution should make him wish he never left. More Denzel Washington. Motivation. Own your power. Don't aspire to make a living. Aspire to make a difference. Be too focused on your purpose to be distracted by inconsistency. Just because you're doing a lot doesn't mean you're getting a lot done. Make sure his actions are meaningful, not just busy work. Dreams without goals are just dreams. A man without clear intentions is just wasting your time. Fail big. That's right, fail big. Take risks in life, but don't gamble with your heart. Hard work works. The right man will work to prove his worth. If you hang around 5 broke people, you'll be the 6th. Surround yourself with people who elevate you, not hold you back. Never be discouraged. Never hold back. Give everything you got, but only to people who deserve it. Your talent will get you to the top, but only character will keep you there. Watch his actions, not just his words. Success is not about the money you make, but the difference you make in people's lives. focus on impact, not distractions. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Never lose sight of your purpose. He wants to see if you're still mad at him. He hopes time has erased his mistakes. He's realizing that you're the one who got away. But some losses are permanent. He's trying to make up for his guilt. But an apology without action is just manipulation. He's feeling lonely and knows you gave him attention. But you're not his backup plan. He thinks enough, time has passed, that you'll forget the pain. But a queen never forgets, she learns. He needs your energy to boost his own confidence. But your energy is too precious to be used as a crutch. He's trying to convince himself. He didn't mess up, but reality says otherwise. He wants to be in your life without fully committing. But you only accept real effort. He's hoping you haven't moved on. But the truth is, you have. He misses the support you gave him. But did he ever return it? He's bored and looking for a familiar face. But you're not entertainment. He sees that you no longer need him. And now he's worried. He's jealous that you might be happier without him. And that's his problem, not yours. He wants to keep his options open, but you are no one's option. He finally understands what he had. But understanding doesn't mean he deserves another chance. He's trying to be friends, but on his terms. Friendship should be mutual, not convenient. He's watching your social media and feels left out. But he excluded himself when he left. He regrets not treating you right. But regret is not a reason to take someone back. He realizes that no one else loves him like you did. But you don't settle for one-sided love. He wants to rewrite the story, but you've already closed the book. Even more ways to make him pursue you. Let him see that his absence had no effect on you. You were fine before, and you're even better now. Be so focused on yourself that he has to work to get your attention. A queen doesn't get distracted. Ignore his inconsistent efforts. If he's not all in, don't let him in at all. Show him that you're in control now. If he's not stepping up, he's stepping out. Don't fall for his words. Only actions matter. Sweet talk without effort is meaningless. Make him compete for your time. A busy woman is an attractive woman. Keep upgrading your life. The right man will meet you at your level. Let him chase you, not the other way around. A real man knows how to pursue. Keep your emotional boundaries strong. A weak man cannot break a strong woman. Be unavailable for anything less than what you deserve. Your time is valuable. Make him feel the distance he created. He should understand the consequences of his actions. Let him see you thriving without him. Your happiness is your power. Never lower your standards for a temporary return. If he couldn't meet them before, he won't now. Don't give him the comfort of thinking. He can always come back. He needs to earn his place. Focus on your growth, not his excuses. A queen moves forward, never backward. Remember that his return doesn't mean he's changed. Time doesn't fix patterns. Effort does. Keep him guessing. The less predictable you are, the more he'll chase. Let him prove that he's serious. If he's not consistent, he's not worth your time. Be too busy. Winning to entertain his games, your goals come first. Only accept love. That's clear, consistent, and committed. Anything less is not for you. More Denzel Washington. Motivation. Be unstoppable. Do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. Live boldly. Love yourself first. Dreams without goals are just dreams. Set goals for yourself, not for a man. Keep moving, keep growing, keep learning. Don't stay stuck in the past. Man gives the award, but God gives the reward. Your value isn't determined by external validation. Without consistency, you'll never finish. Only allow consistent love into your life. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. Don't settle for easy. Demand effort. You'll never be criticized by someone doing more than you. Let your success silence the doubters. Fall forward, not backward. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Do what you gotta do so you can do what you want to do. Focus on building your best life. The greatest thing you can do is inspire someone. Let your success be your response. He sees that you're unbothered, and it's driving him crazy. He wants to keep you as a just in case, but you're nobody's backup plan. He's hoping you'll make the first move, but a queen never chases. He feels guilty for how he left things. But guilt isn't love. He wants to remind you of the good times, but memories don't erase the pain. He's looking for an ego boost. But you're not here to feed his confidence. He's trying to manipulate you into missing him. But your peace is stronger than his games. He's not ready to let you go completely, but he's not ready to commit either. He thinks he still has access to you. Prove him wrong. He wants to see if you still feel the same. But feelings change when self-respect grows. He's realizing he can't replace you. But that's not your problem. He sees that your life is moving forward without him. And now he's feeling left behind. He wants to reignite the chemistry without the commitment, but you deserve more than a spark. He wants to play the "let's be friends" card. But true friends don't treat you like an option. He's testing to see if you'll respond. But silence is your answer. He misses the stability you provided. But you're no longer his safety net. He's wondering if he still has power over you. But your growth speaks louder than his words. He wants to see if you'll drop everything for him again. But you've learned your lesson. He sees you've become even more confident. And confidence is irresistible. He knows you're the best he'll ever have. But realization doesn't equal redemption. Respond on your terms. If at all, you control the conversation, not him. Don't entertain half-hearted efforts. If he's not all in, he's out. Make him show consistency, not just interest. Words mean nothing without actions. Let him see you're no longer emotionally attached. Indifference is your greatest weapon.